Hello, welcome all to my channel. Today we are going to see Where Claus in MySQL workbench. For the previous lecture, we have seen how to create the database and table. Also, we just seen how to create the records in a table. We are continuing our same discussion for the Where Clause in a MySQL workbench. So what is this Where Clause? Why it is used? Where clause is used in select, update, or delete statement to filter the records based on the conditions specified in the statement. As we already know that database contains a very huge and complex kind of data. Out of this huge data, if you interested to retrieve only the required, specified, or data, then how you can achieve this from the database? To retrieve this kind of an only specific, we use the where clause. Then how to implement this? We require the syntax for this where clause. How you are going to retrieve the data, that is either from the whole table or either from a specified column. You can implement the where clause in two different ways. Depending on that, there are the two possibilities of the syntax. The first one is related on the whole table and another one is for the column. The first one is select start from followed by the table name. You have to mention a where keyword followed by the condition. As we require the data from the whole table, we have to write down as a start from. If you are interested to retrieve the data only from a particular column, then the syntax will be remains as the same one, but only this start from is going to be replaced with a specific column name. Rest of the condition syntax will be remains as the same one. The very important question over here is that how to put down the condition. To apply the condition, you can take the help of different kinds of mathematical operators such as equal to, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, logical, or not, and operator, like operator, in between, or not equal to operator. So let's see how to implement this where clause with the help of mathematical equation in a MySQL workbench. So this one is some kind of the statements that you can be implemented. So here is nothing but the table that we have created. It consists of the column names as in a roll number, first name, last name, city, marks, and the class. Now we will be just see one by one how to implement the different kinds of the operators over here. So first of all, I will be just go for the implementing this on a whole table. So select start from followed by the table name. Where first of all, I'm going to be retrieve the data only for the column for the roll numbers which are greater than 5. So I can say that where roll number is greater than 5. So I will get the records for the roll number 6, 7, 8, and 9 because the condition is greater than 5. So let's see over here. After executing this, you will be get the roll numbers from 6, 7, 8, 9. If I just see that same one, that is select star from student record that we are putting down over here, select star from student record where roll number should be less than 5. Then we will be get the records for 1 to 4. Let's see that. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again, we can put down the same condition on a marks column itself. That is, we will be say that where marks that is greater than or equal to 62. So here the records which are greater than 62 and itself 62 is retrieved. Let's see over here. So the whichever the greater than 62 and 62 that will be appears over here. So in this way, in a simple manner, you can apply the less than, greater than, equal to that kind of an database. Now we will be just see the next one, that is select star from followed by the table name. Now we will be just see that is where class. I'm just putting down the another one is an a class. Now class, whatever the possible values for the class, it is nothing FESCTEB. Now I will be just see like that. The class is T itself. As this one is the varchar data type, so you have to put down this one into a single quote. Then I'm using the AND operator. I want the combination of the students which are studying in the class TE and having the marks as the 81 like that, for example, or you can say the 62. So I will be just say that it is the class of an TE and marks is equal to, you can say it is of the 62. That is class T and mark 62. So this roll number 7 data that is only going to be retrieved. So we will be just execute this one. Yes, it is roll number 7, marks is 62 and class is of an T. So as we are using the AND operator over here, you will get the output only when both conditions are true. Now we will be just replace this one with the help of the another one, that is for the OR operator. That is select. We go with an star from followed by the table name, where you can say like that, where class is equal to TE, class is equal to T, and we can say that what is the city. So if we say like class is equal to, what are the possible values for the city over here? It may be a London, it may be a Nasik, or it may be a Mumbai. So if we see like that, or we will get that city is equal to, after apart from this T, if I mention the city is equal to Mumbai, okay, city is equal to Mumbai, then what happens over there? So this one is the OR operator. Let's see what happens over here. So the class is equal to TE, that output we will be get. But at the same time, if city is equal to Mumbai, but the class is not the TE, then also we will be get the output. That means as over here, it is an on OR operator. Either condition gets true, we will be retrieve the data. So in this way, you can implement AND or NOT operators. Now we will just move the next one. That is, again, we will be just see that is select star from, we will be just say it is an from, that is table name, where you can say that the roll number is equal to roll number. I just going to use the another one, that is between 3 and 5. I retrieve the data where roll number lies in between 3 and 5. So I retrieve the what, let's see what is the output over here. So it is from the, we will be get all the data for the roll numbers which are belonging from 3 to 5, that is 3, 4 and 5. So with the help of an between, we are providing the range over here. Similar thing, we can be go with select star from, that is a whole table followed by the table name, where you can say that where city, right now I will be just say like city operator as an in, then I will be just go, it is like a Nasik, then Mumbai, and then I am also mentioning over here as an Sangli. I'm going to be mentioned over here some kind like this. So this kind of three sentences, three possible options I have given. Now let's see. First of all, we are just, this one is nothing but my whole table that we are applied. Now what is the sequence or the situation we are implementing for this in operator? I'm going to be execute over here. So what happens in, I put down the filter on the city column. So what is the possible output we will be get? It is for the Mumbai and Nasik. Means that with the help of an in operator in a bracket, we are actually specifying the possible options. In the between operator, we are providing the range, but with the help of an in operator, we are specifically given the requirements. You will retrieve the data either for the city as in Nasik or Mumbai or Sangli. In my table, the record for a Sangli city is not at all available, and that's why you can just see over here. For the Sangli city, your data is not at available, so you will get the data only for the Nasik and Mumbai itself. So in this way, you can put down the different kinds of the possible options for the particular options you can search with the help of an in operator. In the next lecture, we will be just go with an wildcards with the help of an like operator. So this one is for the today's session. Afterwards, we will be just continue our discussion for the different like or the wildcard operator. Thank you. Thank you.